what's up everyone, welcome back. So fall is in the air, lots of fall colors have been coming out, and today we're going to be going over one of those collections, which is the Gelish Morgan Taylor Disney Villains collection. It is only 6 colors. We're going to be going through the consistencies of the polish, the coverage of the polish, and of course, are we getting a really good match between the hands and the feet. Now, before we get into these awesome swatches, make sure that you guys have already subscribed and hit those notifications so you're not missing out any of the swatch reviews or product reviews that are coming out. Lots of stuff you don't want to miss. So let's get to checking this collection out. Okay, so the first color we're going to be checking out here is this really pretty silvery color. It is called Fashion Above All. Really, really nice. Give it a good shake. Oh yeah, that one's really silvery. Ooh, I love the coverage it has just on the first coat. Wow. Just on the first coat, really, really good coverage. You can't even see through that nail. This is so mesmerizing. All right, let's finish this one up. So here we have it, 2 coats, really, really pretty silver. It's definitely sparkly. Beautiful, beautiful color. Really good coverage. All right, let's check out the next one. This one is a nice dark, kind of like slate gray. Smoke the Competition. Let's check this out. Ooh, I like this. This is kind of like a taupey gray. It's really pretty. This is definitely a fall gray. Really pretty, nice coverage on the first coat. Let's check this one out when it's done. Beautiful color, slightly a little like taupey, if that makes any sense. Really nice. You can never have too many shades of gray. Maybe about 50. All right, let's check out the next one. This one is super pretty. It's like a shimmery red, just one bite. Can you guess which Disney villain this one is? Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Ooh, and that's only 1 coat. Let's check this one out when it's done. Just 1 bite, 2 coats. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Shimmery red. I love this. These shimmers are mesmerizing. All right, let's check out the next one. This one I'm super excited about. Mistress of Mayhem. It is like a shimmery emerald green. A very hot color for this fall season, might I add. Oh, that's beautiful. The glitter in this is almost like a really light teal and like green and yellow or gold. It is really pretty. This one's a little bit soft on the first coat. Not too bad, but you can kind of see through it a little bit. Still gorgeous. Let's check it out when it's done. Mistress of Mayhem. I did 3 coats on this one, just to make sure those edges were super bold. Beautiful, beautiful shimmery green. I'd love to see this in matte. Alrighty, next one up is Make 'em Squirm. This one's from one of my favorite Disney movies. Can anybody guess? Little Mermaid. I could see this being Ursula for sure. Really pretty. These shimmers are really nice. This one also has kind of like a teal blue shimmer in it. Very pretty. Good coverage for a shimmer polish. Usually the first coats tend to be kind of soft, so it's expected, but really nice coverage on the first coat. Well, let's get this one done. There you have it. Super pretty. Really pretty, nice dark shimmery purple. Definitely like a bluish glitter in it. Really, really nice. This one I did a third coat as well. Beautiful. Let's check out the last color. This one is You're in My World Now. This one's also like a purpley glitter color. Ooh, definitely darker. Oh, this is nice. Really, really nice. This one's like a Lincoln Park After Dark with purple glitter in it. That's like the best description I can give this. A really, really deep purple, almost black. Or maybe it is black polish and there's just so much purple glitter that it makes it look purple. Really nice coverage on the first coat, wow. Okay, let's finish this one up. So there we have it. 2 coats is all we needed for this color. It is a super deep, kind of like plum purple with that glitter. Super, super cute. Let's check out these matches. So here we have it. The gel is the top row, the regular polish is the bottom row. So you can definitely see that the toes are a little bit darker than the hands, always happens. And the shimmer consistency or texture is different. Definitely on the silver. You have such a fine glitter for the regular polish and a much more reflective glitter, chunky glitter, I guess you could say, for the hands. Same thing on pretty much all the shimmery ones. You could really notice it a lot on the red and the silver. You can tell that the shimmer consistency, this one's more pearlish, this one's more glittery. This one's pretty close, it's just the toes are a little bit darker. This one also is much more fine reflective glitter on the toes rather than a more coarse one on the hands. Same thing with the last color. So no big deal, but overall the tones of the color are very, very similar. Definitely what I've come to expect from most matching hands and feet. It's never gonna be perfect, but really cute. So there we have it, 6 colors, overall really good consistencies in the polish itself, really good coverage. Maybe the glittery ones, you might want to put a third coat maybe, but for the most part, it was really, really nice coverage. When it comes to the matching hands and feet, we're pretty close. Toes generally will dry darker than hands, and the glitteriness is a little bit different in the nails. When, you know, the hands might be a little bit more like chunkier glitter than the toes, a little bit more refined glitter. Also something that commonly happens. Why? I don't know. But it definitely has an overall passing grade when it comes to the matching hands and feet. Really cute collection. Definitely says Disney Villains to me. Whether or not it says fall, I'm getting a lot of winter vibes from this, but overall fall/winter, it's totally passable. Definitely really beautiful colors. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure you stay tuned for all the amazing content that is yet to come. So until the next time, bye.